What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about Klaytn, or Clay. But anyways, you guys already know the drill. If you're not new here, you guys can go ahead and skip to a minute and a half. If you are new here, I'm just going to give a quick breakdown of how I usually do these videos. So this is known as the price prediction and price analysis video. So first we're going to look at the price, obviously, $1.21. Then we're going to go into the circulating supply, total supply, and max supply. Then from there we're going to see, okay, is there a difference between those supply amounts? If so, will that affect the future price? Because obviously, if there's only 1,000 in circulating supply, but 10 million total supply, well, that's going to be a lot of market flooding. Then we're going to do a technical analysis with the trading view here. See, okay, what are the patterns? What's the price going to? All of that. Then from that point on, we're going to be going over to the website to see what it actually is. Is it going to have real world use value? Is the future of it looking good? What are they doing, Will that affect the price? Then, if it will affect the price, we take that into our analysis with the technical analysis, and then we get our price analysis. If it does not, then we just go based purely off the technical analysis and forget the rest. And then at the end of the video, will this be one of the 10 coins I put on my list to invest $10,000 into, which is a total of $100,000 invested by the end of these videos. We're getting close. We're almost halfway there, which basically means I would say in about another 2 months, I will be investing $100,000. So in December, so really good timing. And yeah, let's get into it now. So Klaytn is currently sitting at $1.21, right? We can see that the circulating supply in total. So we got 2.5 billion in circulating supply, 10.6 in total supply. So not even close. Max supply, no data. Basically, most likely means total supply is the max supply. So not even close, which isn't a good sign because let's face it. If it gets flooded, right, it's not going to be looking good. Then we're going to go here to trading view. We're going to go to the 1 month time frame. Right, again, this is a newer coin. Technical analysis is always going to be the best, which is bad because crypto, there's usually a lot of new stuff popping out. Bow, chicka, bow, wow. But anyway, how are you guys' days going, Oh, man. While I'm just doing here, I'm going to draw the support line down here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fun fact that I just want to mention to you guys while I'm drawing these lines right here is me and my buddy, we were on the phone for like 4 hours, right? And by the way, it's 3:44 in the morning. And I think we might just have come up on the agreement that we are going to be buying a place in Bali, right? I can show you guys. As you guys can see, like all the tabs are just Bali. But anyways, let's get back to the price analysis here. So there we got the resistance, and now let's draw the final one that we need. Bow, bow, bow. Awesome. Okay, current price right now is at $1.39. So right now it has a resistance because it is definitely a more bearish than bullish pattern right now. So right now it has to break above this right here, basically above $1.40. And then from that point on, it has a good range all the way up to $1.56. Now, once again, it will then need to break that line in order to form new all-time highs above $2, basically. Yep. Now, if it does not break above this, right, you guys can see it will be then following this line trend all the way here to $1.13. Then if it does do that, it will most likely slowly start climbing again based off of this line pattern right there. So again, right now, basically actually at a super critical point, go above that, then we're in the clear up until $1.57, and that's not really a strong support either or resistance. So most likely then we'll be hitting all-time highs. If not, we'll just be following this down to right around here, $1.11, and then we can go down to $1.06. So that is that, but overall, again, if it breaks above this, it's definitely looking more more bullish than bearish, my apologies. So now let's go over to their website. So Klaytn Network, the ground for all blockchain services. Okay, they got trees in the background. I think we got something to do with trees. About Klaytn, global public blockchain project, enterprise-grade, service-centric platform that brings user-friendly blockchain experience to millions. Great, thank you for letting me know that. Service centricity, blockchain at B apps, first class, all of the normal crap that most cryptos have, right? This, so far, nothing special. I'm not saying it won't be in a little bit. So, the nice thing that I want to pay attention to is this one right here. Binance joins governance council of Kayko's Klaytn blockchain. That's actually big. Binance is a really big platform. Samsung to launch smartphone meant to make blockchain friendlier. Now, Klaytn, hashtag Klaytn phone. I don't think Samsung is launching a Klaytn phone, so I don't know I have that on there. 1 year anniversary, that doesn't matter. Subscribe to the newsletter. We are not going to be doing that. But yeah, so partners, media, press, events, team, all of this, not really anything important. Governance council, ecosystem, right? So obviously we're talking a lot about the governance council, so we're going to go into that in a bit. But the ecosystem, right? You got exchanges, MoonPay, and Change Now. So you can store wallets, keep your Clay and Klaytn tokens safely on Caicos, Clip, and Decent, right? Huobi wallet, okay, that's not bad. But again, so far nothing extraordinary about it, right? Now let's go to the governance council. Is an alliance of multinational and organizations responsible for operating the consensus node network and driving the ecosystem growth. Core cell operation, ecosystem growth, governance. Is that an L2? L2 solutions. So, basically just a quick breakdown of this. Is this anything extraordinary? No, it is not. Is it impressive that they got Binance? Yes, it is. Now, if all of this right here is actually true, right, and it's not just like small partnerships like all of this, right? Because just for them to have LG Electronics, Binance, SK Networks, let's go through the rest of this. Kakao Entertainment, that's also a pretty big one. Maker, that's a big one as well. And yeah, Mobi. Yeah, okay. So if they, again, a lot of research is required to go into that. However, just right off the bat, in my opinion, this isn't something that I would see huge growth in, especially considering, right, with the circulating supply being 2.5 billion and the total supply basically being 4x that. Not really leaving me too much hope here, right? However, I do think it's definitely more bullish than bearish right now. Once it breaks above that line, at least, that's kind of the main thing to look out for. But right now, I don't think it's not one I would personally invest in. It's not good enough for me to invest in, right? It's nothing like amazing wow factor to invest in, right? Like Ethereum, the true deflating asset, right? That's revolutionary, especially in the financial markets. So that's just my viewpoint on Klaytn. This will not be one. I do think it will break all-time highs shortly, though. I can see this heading into the low twos, around 220, so that's $1 profit, so almost a 2x within the next couple of months. So super excited for that, at least. And that might be a nice swing trade to do. But anyways, if you guys want some free stuff, you guys can click the links down below. There's some free money there for you guys. And then if you guys did enjoy the video, I would really like it, if it's not too much trouble from you, for you guys to just press the like button, and then maybe subscribe if you're not already. And I would really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you guys tomorrow with another one. Peace out, guys.